Avoid sliding or twisting the toilet after setting it on the wax ring because that motion breaks the seal and reduces the drain opening. When you place the toilet onto the wax ring, set it straight down with even pressure so the ring compresses uniformly and seals the flange to the horn of the toilet. Lift and reposition before lowering if the alignment is off rather than trying to shift after contact, because twisting will smear wax away from the center and create gaps that leak. Use a helper to steady the bowl and guide the closet bolts into the holes to avoid lateral force that can compress the ring asymmetrically and clamp the trapway opening. Press down using your body weight in a steady, vertical motion until the tank and bowl meet the floor, then bolt the bowl lightly and alternate tightening the nuts to avoid rocking and uneven compression. After setting, sit on the closed lid for a minute to check stability and ensure the ring is fully seated before final tightening. If the wax ring seems insufficient, or you have an offset flange, use a thicker ring or a wax ring with a plastic horn to maintain proper centerline and opening size. Common mistakes include trying to twist the bowl into position, which scrapes and displaces wax, and can cause hairline leaks, so always realign before lowering. Another is over-tightening the bolts to compensate for a poor seal, which can crack the porcelain. So tighten nuts evenly and only to snug plus a quarter turn while checking for level. A third is assuming a thin standard ring will work for every installation, especially on uneven floors or recessed flanges. So use the correct ring thickness or a reinforced ring with a horn, and consider a flange extender if the flange sits below floor level. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical guidance on projects like toilet installation. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips and personal experience, and we help contractors find new work through visibility on our site.